Hi, everyone. I would like to begin by welcoming and thanking each one of you for being here on such a special occasion. As I got to know Meg and Drew as a couple, it became clear to me that they're just made for each other.
I am very happy for and proud of Meghan for all that she has accomplished as a young woman. It's a bit surreal for me today that my little girl is now married. Her and Drew finding each other has brought so much happiness to all of us around them.
Meghan is intelligent, gorgeous, and has a heart of gold.
Meg, how I see him look at you, I can tell he loves you a lot. I've known Drew for a very long time, and we've grown very close ever since. He's always been there for me, and he always will.
When Kathleen and I first met Drew a number of years ago, we immediately knew that he was truly a nice guy, and that Drew had a good set of values in the way that he lived his life.
I've never seen Meghan happier because of you, Drew. You bring out the best in each other, and it's evident that you two are destined to be together.
I recently read somewhere that marriage is like the seasons. Every season of marriage is different, but has something special and beautiful about it. Just as these grains of sand can never be separated, your love and commitment to this marriage will join your lives together forever. By the power vested in me by the state of Massachusetts, it is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife. Drew, you may kiss your bride.
Marriage is something that you have to continually to work on. To Meghan and Drew,
Congratulations, guys. Love you both.